Hey everyone, it's Misanthropy from spellsofmagic.com, and today I am reviewing the Selenite mini cubes that you can get in our site store. These cubes are about the size of a quarter and about a quarter of an inch thick. I don't know if you can really see that. And these are really wonderful. They are cut in various shapes and sizes so that no one is exactly the same. They do have a little bit of dust on them when you get them. It's just from where they rough cut them and just put them in the bag right after cutting. They are a wonderful item, especially if you're doing crystal grids or healing sockets or anything like that and you need a little extra energy boost. They are a wonderful quality, and they're actually pretty large for the size that you're getting and the number. And overall, they're just a really nice item to have, and I would highly recommend it if you need, crystals or gems or anything like that for via charm sockets or crystal grids or just anything in general like that.